In the heart of Mangqukana village in the Great Khai local municipality, 33-year-old Nomagcinandile Suduka is proving that determination can transform lives.
Igama lami nginguNomagcina Suduka, ndilapha kwaMangqukela Great Khai local municipality under a project Inga Rise.
After leaving her family's farming cooperative, she established Inga Rise Enterprise in 2022 with one vision: to build a sustainable agricultural business while creating opportunities for women and people living with disabilities. Farming on 5 hectares of family land, Suduka produces vegetables, maize, and indigenous chickens, supplying fresh produce, meat, and eggs to local supermarkets and schools. She also turned a challenge into an opportunity by establishing a charcoal processing enterprise using invasive black wattle trees, creating jobs for local youth while contributing to water conservation. With support from the Eastern Cape Department of Agriculture and other development partners through production inputs, equipment, funding, training, and technical advice, Inga Rise Enterprise continues to grow. Driving her own tractor and breaking stereotypes, Suduka encourages women to remain resilient.
Umzekelo kwabanye abafuna ufunda abanothi i-tractor iqhutywe ngumuntu ongutata qha nomuntu ongumama uyakwazi ukuthi amazuqhuba. So kwi-youth ke elapha local hayi ke ndiyabamotivator abanye babo babanomdla siyacela usifundise nathi uqhuba i-tractor and all that.
The Eastern Cape Department of Agriculture, empowering women, growing communities, building a sustainable agricultural future. Lo myalezo niuphathelwe liSebe lezoLimo.